Okay, so I thought I'd make a little video all to do with operations with integers. So one of the things that we'd like to do when we're dealing with adding and subtracting is and the analogy I use is if I give you something good, it's going to lift your mood up. If I give you something bad, if I add a negative, it's going to take your mood down. If I take away something good, therefore we're going to be taking our mood down. Whereas if I take away something bad, it's going to lift your mood up. So here, so if we have a look at this question, so we've got positive 2 plus negative 8. So we are adding a negative. If we add a negative, we're going down. So we start at positive 2 and we go down 8 places. So the answer is going to be negative 6. Here, if we take away a negative, that means that we're moving upwards. So we start at negative 6, we go up 7 places. So the answer is going to be positive 1. This case here, we subtract a positive. If I subtract a positive, we're moving downwards. So we start at positive 2 and we go down 7 places. The answer is going to be negative 5. Here, if we add a positive, we're moving upwards. Therefore, we start at negative 2 and we move up 6 places. The answer is going to be 4, positive 4. Okay, so likewise, when we multiply and divide, you can see that we've got a different set of rules. So two positives multiply to make a positive and a negative multiply or divide to make a negative and a positive multiply and divide to make a negative, and a negative and a negative multiply and divide to make a positive. So if we have a look at the first question here, positive 6 multiplied by negative 2, a positive and a negative multiply to make a negative. So this is going to give us negative 12. Likewise here, a negative multiplied by a negative, we'll look back at our rules, it's going to give us a positive. So negative 4 times negative 6 is going to give us positive 24. A negative divided by a positive, negative, positive, the answer is going to be negative, so we end up with negative 8. In this format here, 18 divided by negative 2, a positive divided by a negative is going to be negative, so we're going to end up with negative 9. A negative divided by a negative, negative 12 divided by negative 3 is positive 4. Thank you.